Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we talk about technology from the past, present, and future. Now, if you watched the last video that I produced, it was about me basically I'm doing an unboxing video on my Bambu Labs P1S and how it terribly went wrong because I'd found water damage basically in my printer, and there was a slight issue on the back of the printer where the back was slightly raised. So what I did was I contacted Bambu Labs to do an exchange. So in today's video we're going to go through the process of what I did to get my Bambu Labs printer exchanged, and hopefully this will help you. If you ever get a faulty Bambu Labs product, you can go through the process that I did to hopefully get it replaced. So without further ado, let's make a start. First of all, if you go to the Bambu Labs website and hopefully you've registered with them, you'd go to your user account and click on the icon and then go support ticket. Then once you click that, go to new ticket and start filling in your details. Now what I did with my faulty printer, the initial letter that I wrote to Bambu Labs, I used ChatGPT to help me write the letter. I basically explained the entire process and it formulated a letter for me to give to Bambu Labs, and it also gave me recommendations on things like taking pictures and any video that I've got, which I did. And so without further ado, let me make a start and I'll go through the exact process of what I did to get my Bambu Labs 3D printer swapped out. Dear Bambu Labs support team, I'm writing to report a significant issue with my newly unboxed P1S printer received on the 16th of July 2025. I was filming an unboxing video when I encountered the problem. Upon removing the printer from its packaging and opening the protective plastic wrap, I immediately observed numerous water-like droplets inside the plastic bag. More critically, I found these droplets inside the printer's build chamber, on the print bed, and notably near the exhaust fan on the side. When I touched these droplets, they had a distinct oily feel. Furthermore, the included desiccant silica gel packet was completely saturated and soggy to the touch, indicating significant moisture presence within the sealed packaging. Additionally, I noticed that the rear panel of the printer was slightly raised on one side, which is concerning for a brand new unit. I have attached photos and a video footage that clearly shows the extent of the oily watery substance and the damp desiccant. Given the presence of an oily liquid and excessive moisture within the new electronic device, I'm highly concerned about the potential internal damage, corrosion or short circuits. I have not attempted to power on the printer. I kindly request your urgent guidance on this matter and resolution, preferably a replacement unit. Thank you for your time and assistance. Now, Bambu Labs then replied to me the following day with the following response. Dear customer, thank you for contacting Bambu Labs support. This is an automated response to confirm that we have received your ticket. Kindly note there will be an additional delay of 2 to 3 days in our response time due to limited resources within our customer support team. We will do our utmost to have your questions answered in the shortest time possible. We appreciate your patience during this process. To assist you better, if your ticket is related to the technical support, feel free to explore our wiki. For possibly warranty verification spare parts, kindly please share with us the following so we can provide efficient help. Then it goes on requiring full name, phone number and all your personal details. It also says including images or videos can also help us understand the issue better, provide faster service. If you have already provided this information, which I have done, please disregard this request. Then, a day later, I received another message from Bambu Labs. Dear Bambu Lab customer, thank you for contacting Bambu Lab customer support. We are sorry to see that your new printer is experiencing issue. Please rest assured that we will resolve it for you as soon as possible. Based on your situation, we would suggest you return the P1S printer to us, and then we will resend a new P1S printer package to you. If we have two options for return and replacements, please let us know which one you prefer. 1. Normal replacement procedure. We would create a return shipping label for you, and you can return the printer using that label in its original packaging. Once we receive the return printer, we will ship you a new one. Or number 2, advanced replacement procedure. If you prefer to receive a new printer more quickly, you can choose the option to prepay for a new printer. My colleague will contact you to provide the payment details, and then we will send you a new printer directly. When the new printer arrives, we will send you a return shipping label which you can use to return the original printer. Once the return printer arrives in our warehouse, we will refund the deposit. Now, to be honest, I wasn't in a rush to get a replacement printer. So I actually went with option 1, which is for them to go through the process and basically come pick up this printer, and then once they've inspected it, send me out a replacement. So I then replied to them, Dear Bambu Lab support team, thank you for providing the two options for the replacement process. I've reviewed both procedures and would like to proceed with option 1, the normal replacement procedure. I understand that I will receive a return shipping label and a new printer will be shipped to me once the original unit has been returned to the warehouse. Could you please clarify the estimated turnaround time and the shipment of the new printer after my original unit has been collected by the shipping carrier and subsequently received at your warehouse? Knowing the time frame would be greatly appreciated. Thank you again for your assistance, sincerely. Now, the thing is, every time they're replying to me, I'm then putting the message into ChatGPT and advising them to give me a response. This basically ages in me just sitting there scratching my ape brain, coming up with, how to put a letter together. It's a bit lazy, I know, but it's a time saving option. Now, after that response had been sent, Bambu Labs then replied a day later, thank you for your update. We have requested the normal replacement process for the P1S. One of my colleagues will contact you shortly with a detailed replacement process instruction. The replacement will be arranged within 7 business days after the warehouse inspects the package. We will provide you with tracking information when the shipment is processed by our side. If you encounter any difficulties during the return and replacement, please contact us right away. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience and thanks for your kind understanding. Best regards, Bambu Lab customer support. Then a couple of days later go by, and then I get another letter from them. Dear customer, we are currently processing your return label. Expect to send it to you by Monday next week. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused and appreciate your understanding. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Best regards, Bambu Lab customer support. After that response, a couple of days later, they send me another message. Dear customer, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for your cooperation in working with us to address the issue with your order. Please download the shipping label for return. To ensure a smooth return process, please take note of the following instructions. Number 1, I have arranged a pickup service every Staff will contact you by email. Please do not bring every parcels to the post office. They will not accept your parcel. So basically, after that last response from Bambu Labs, they sent me the print label to basically print. I basically repacked the printer, and I shot a video of it, me repacking the printer, so there'll be no issues. And basically I got, after I repacked it, I put the postage label on, and I sellotaped it all up, and I took pictures and everything. Then Bambu Labs contacted me to say that they'd arranged for Every to come and collect the printer, and which they did. They came and collected the printer, and the thing is, I've got footage from my doorbell camera of the courier company coming and picking up the printer and walking off with it. So, you know, if there was any dispute, well, the video footage is there, and I uploaded that to the ticket with the following response. Dear Bambu Lab support team, thank you for your assistance with the return process. I am writing to confirm that the printer was successfully collected by the Every courier on the 30th at 11:44 a.m. I have attached all relative documentation to this ticket for your records. Reboxing video, a video showing the careful repackaging of the printer into its original box with all protective material. Collection video, a video from my door cam showing the courier collecting the parcel. Photos, images of the box with Bambu Lab provided return labels clearly attached. Tracking number, the tracking number for the return shipment of the Every tracking number. I trust that this information will be helpful for you and your logistics team. I look forward to receiving an update once the printer arrives at your warehouse and a replacement has been shipped. Thank you again for your continued support. So that went all lovely and smooth, and then a few days later, Bambu Labs replies, "Hello, thank you for your reply. We will continue to monitor the return. Please note that the return generally takes 3 to 10 business days to arrive and at the return warehouse, depending on your regional postal service, weather conditions, weekend delays and other uncontrollable factors. Within 7 business days after the warehouse receives and inspects your package, we will proceed next steps accordingly. Thank you for your understanding." Now, I'm under the impression, because I did a fairly good job of packing everything and detailing, like a video of me repacking the printer and the courier coming to collect it, they processed this part quite swiftly, I think within 3 or 4 days. And then I get another email from them. Dear customer, we are pleased to inform you that your replacement is currently shipped by DPD UK. You can easily track the shipment by clicking this link. It may take 1 to 3 days for the logistics company to update the tracking number to expedite the shipping. Your order may be divided into several separate packages. Upon receiving the first incomplete package, kindly wait 1 to 3 days. If another does not arrive, please reach out promptly. Please accept our apologies for any inconvenience this may cause. We appreciate your patience and understanding with the event of the delays. Thank you for choosing us and have a fantastic day. Best regards, Bambu Labs customer service. Now, what happened? The new printer arrived. I did a unboxing video of that new printer arriving, and I must say, I reckon they've obviously taken the new printer back, but they must have a special batch of like fresh Bambu Lab P1Ss, because this one that came in had no sign of moisture, leakage or anything. It was in very, very good condition, and so it should be. It's brand new. So and I've been using this printer now, and it's been working flawlessly, everything that's been promised. Now, the way I look at it, the returns process was very, very good, swift, accurate. I'm very happy, and it just says a lot about the company. They put so much into making a very good product, but not only that, if something does go wrong, they put in a lot of work to make the returns process as simple and easy as possible. But again, also I've gone to the trouble to give them all the information that they needed as well. So the combination of these two factors has helped me get my replacement device, and I must say that I'm very happy with the way their customer service works. I mean, it'd be a shame if it was a great printer but the customer service was bad, but I can safely say that that is not the case. They have provided a very good turnaround, and I'm very satisfied. The only thing that upset me, I guess, which is not really their fault or anyone's fault, it's just that when I did get my replacement 2 months later, the P2S has come out. So it is what it is. What more can I say? Well, I'm going to wrap this video up, and hopefully you enjoyed this video and this has helped you in some way. And if it has, please you know what to do, and hopefully I'll see you in the next episode.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.